Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be fitting a flat out bed into the back of this T6. First of all, let's take a look at the bed and see how it works. So the bed is in situ at the moment and it's in bed form. The bed itself will fold up to the side and I'll show you how its workings once it's fitted. It's super easy to fit. The fitting kit itself consists of a strap to hold it up in place, a little bag of goodies, the little hook which mounts up at the top. I'll show you that once we get to that stage, and 4 self-tapping screws. So what I'm going to do for you now is do a quick demonstration of how to actually put the bed down into bed mode, as it were. So my suggestion is you pop the bottom legs out, release the top strap, make your way sadly out of the vehicle, lower this front edge down just to allow you to drop it down to the floor, lift this front section up and then pop the legs out. There is one that end as well, I'll do that in a moment. And then it's just about arranging your cushions. So you've got one that sits in here, pull out the back supports, I'll show you on the front ones, place this in and again round that side. Just pull these sections out and then pop this section in. Nice bit of kit. Now you've seen how the bed itself works and you've seen how it looks alongside the kitchen units that we put in. These are all bespoke built, by the way, here at Bespoke Buses. So if you are interested in something like this, simply get in touch with us, have a look on the website, and come and see us, and no doubt we'll have a van of some description that has a kitchen like this in. It's become really popular with us. Anyway, let's look at how to fit the flat out bed. So the first stage is to dry fit the bed. So the bed is in where it's going to situate, dry fitted, so nothing's actually physically attached yet. What I'm going to do now is remove all of the bed parts and leave the frame where it needs to sit. So I've got it all situated, I've closed the door, so I know the gap along the back here is good, I know the gap along the front edge is good too. When I mean the gap along the front edge, I mean this removable panel fits in nicely between the combi seat and the actual bed frame itself. So what I've done is just to remove the top section of upholstery which fits in here, the back panel and the front panel, and I've managed to line it up nicely along the side. Now none of it is fitted in position as of yet, it's just a case of moving things around lightly until we're happy with where it sits. And now what we're going to do is actually fit it in. So I'm going to use my Ryobi Impact and the screws provided and pop it in. So all 4 fixing points are now in. You saw me just do one. I ain't going to bore you with doing all 4, but the process is exactly the same. Get the gun, bang, bosh, done. Now it's to actually make sure the bed folds up nicely, and then we'll look into fixing the little latch at the top so we can strap it up when we're moving around, we don't have the bed down. And we've got the main part of the bed in, and it's fitted with these pins. So you just basically slide this section into the frame underneath, and then you attach one end has got a nutted thread, or a thread, sorry, that you use a nut. So I've just popped that on there for you. So one of the pins is threaded, so I'm just going to pop the retaining nut on the end This will mean that the actual frame obviously doesn't come apart. So if you are looking to take it apart, don't forget to take the nut off. Next step is to fit this bit. Now obviously if you've got a willing participant to help you, it can be very useful. So and then we're just going to slide it in. Needs a little bit of persuasion. So I've secured the fixing on the wall, and I've used the strap just to hold the bed out of the way. If you're traveling, I would suggest you use this method of like storing the bed away. What you don't want it doing is bouncing up and down on the floor, potentially doing damage. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. This is a Flatout bed. See you all soon.